with me, Macau me, Macau me, baby. Fill me up, take me down, show me around, Macau me, meander Macau, go all around, look it up and down, turn the corner, Macau me, baby. Fill me up, take me down, show me around, Macau me. Meander Macau, go all around, look it up and down, turn the corner, Macau me, baby. Fill me up, take me down, show me around, Macau me.
Gloria. So we're gonna go down in this little alley and kind of meander down. And then we also have this little type of village all throughout. Lots of colorful buildings. And then this one kind of starts down that way, but I think it has a different name. But anyways, we're gonna explore all of it. Gloria. Macau, Gloria Street in Taipa Village. So this one is it goes right through the middle of Taipa Village, so you get a pretty good cross-section of what it looks like if you were to meander right in the middle. Taipa Village has some main roads all the way around it, but Gloria goes into all the little narrow alleys. So that's what this one's going to be all about. So there, you can see it up on the map as well, so you can see exactly where it is. I also have some music that'll be on the screen now too. And I know you're not here to listen to me talk about it. You're here to see it as if you were there yourself. Let's get to it. Walk and talk time. Gloria Street in Taipa Village. Okay, so we should actually go down that way first. But we're gonna be going down that way soon. Let's just kind of meander down through this first. You kind of come down. It's nice because there's no cars or motorbikes, can't really come through, just pedestrians. We're gonna meander down like this, and then we're gonna come all the way up there as well. So let's just go up to the beginning of the street. So this is I think the name's the street is kind of a one-way street up here. I heard they're gonna close it pretty soon for Chinese New Year because there's so much foot traffic. Way down there is Galaxy Casino. Up there is some historic buildings up on the hill. They're owned by the government, so they're kind of off limits. This is the one that we're gonna be going down. Umun, by the Taipa. Okay, so let's go on down Gloria. So yeah, this is actually really photogenic in here too, as you can see. That building's straight this way right here. This used to be Go at Nights, but they moved over to Broadway. Michelin guides, Antonio's restaurant, and then Tapas de Portugal. So there's some, this one's won a lot of awards, Michelin guides and all kinds of things. Okay. So now we're just kind of into the backside of Taipa Village. And we're going to be going more into it in a second. I'm just gonna, this is kind of nice everywhere in here, so we are going to be going down Gloria in a moment. Yeah, I got some nice buildings. Then this is the Bella Taipa. There's actually a rooftop at the top of this one, way up there. So yeah, Bella Taipa. This is actually on Clerigo Street, but we're gonna go into our street in a moment. Our street is Gloria Street, which is right through the middle of Taipa Village. I think it's let me see. I think we need to go down. If I remember right, it's down to the left. So I think it was near this one, right? Oh, maybe that's... It's kind of interesting. You got these glass ones in here that's kind of... Originally I thought it was going to be changing the fabric of Taipa Village, but actually it works. Okay, so we are going to go back down this way. Okay, so we're going to go down this little alley right there. Okay, so now we're going to be back at Gloria. See the little meandering there? This is transforming significantly. So they're building a whole little complex here. So let's keep on going down Gloria. Gloria, Travessa to Gloria Lane. So yeah, little slice of Taipa Village here. There's an artist that lives in here. It's kind of cool, actually. Big more little stuff everywhere. Okay. We're building more stuff over here too. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking, meandering down. So we're checking out Gloria, and I'm kind of giving you a little bit of a idea what the whole area looks like. So that's kind of Gloria right down there. But it actually goes a little bit further. It actually goes down this way too. The green one is called Madeira. Taste Macau vibes. Gloria. Travessa de Gloria. So we are going to go across the street. So this is called Regidor. And then we're going to come across like this. And now you can see Gloria all the way through there. So we basically just kind of meandered all the way through this little alley right there. And now we're on Regidor. Okay, so we're going to go back across. And we're going to end it on Gloria. So hopefully that was kind of interesting.
Envelop me, vibe me, Macau me, baby. Fill me up, take me down, show me around, Macau me and Macau.